Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign someone, like for example, a contact or friend of yours or coworker, to a task or subtask on GanttPro in your projects on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your account on GanttPro, select your project on the left panel, and after that, choose also one of your views. Let me go to board view, and let me just move that task here to the in progress bar so that we see that we're working on it. So as you can see, there's no user assigned. You will see that user profile icon in the bottom right corner. To assign someone, guys, simply click into the given task to open up that menu. Here you will see that button, add assignee. Click into it and select users listed below from your team, for example. So for obvious reasons, you will need to invite the given user to your team first. Once they are in your team, guys, they will be available here. So simply click into that checkbox to the left to select the given assignee. Let me go with my own account here, and you can also click into this button, add more people. And after that, for instance, you'll be redirected to your project management center in the people section here, so that you may see the list of your project members and invite more users. And let me just return to the previous menu and assign them to your task, and that's it. We close that menu here, and as you can see, I assigned myself to that task. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.